hearts united to face life together. Questions arise, but love conquers fear. A path ahead becomes crystal clear. Yes, I'll say yes to dreams we'll pursue. Yes, I'll say yes, our bond ever new. This moment so perfect, I'll cherish always. Yes, I'll say yes to our love's new phase. Questions arise for the days to come. Two hearts in sync, beating as one. Yes, I'll say yes to the vows we'll exchange. Yes, I'll say yes, our worlds rearrange. This rainbow of friends will share in our joy. Our love story, time can never destroy. From this day forward, we'll walk hand in hand, building a future on more than just sand. Excitement builds for the days to come. Two hearts in sync, being as one. There's no hesitation, no doubt in my mind. You're the one I've been waiting for all this time. Through laughter and tears, some sickness and health, our love is a treasure worth more than all wealth. As we step forward into the unknown, our love will guide us, we're never alone. Yes, I'll say yes to the life we'll create. Yes, I'll say yes, it must be fate. This moment so magical, forever we'll share. Yes, I'll say yes, our love beyond compare. In the quiet of the night, I found my way. Through the shadows of the past, I learned to stay. With every step I take, I feel the light guiding me towards the dawn. It's shining bright, and I rise like the sun after the rain, with a heart that's healed from all the pain. I'm stronger now, ready to face the day, with the love that's here to stay. Every moment, every breath, I'm alive. In this journey of my own, I will thrive. With a fire in my soul, I won't let go. In this story that unfolds, I'll let it show. And I rise like the sun after the rain, with a heart that's healed from all the pain. I'm stronger now, ready to face the day, with the love that's here to stay. In the mirror, I see a girl who's free from the chains that held her down. She's found the key, with a voice that sings of hope. She won't be silent. In the chorus of her dreams, she's defiant. And I rise like the sun after the rain, with a heart that's healed from all the pain. I'm stronger now, ready to face the day, with the love that's here to stay. And I rise like the phoenix from the flame, with a heart Stepping into the light, it's a brand new day. Walking down this aisle in a perfect way. All my dreams are here in your eyes so bright. This is our story under love spotlight. With every step we take, our hearts align. A love so pure, forever you'll be mine. In this moment, everything feels right. Underneath the stars, we shine so bright. Hand in hand, we've come so far. Together we've made it, here we are. Through every trial, every single fight, we found our way into this night. With every vow we make, our spirits soar. A bond unbreakable forevermore. In this embrace, our hearts take flight. Bound by love into this night. Now we dance to the rhythm of our love, guided by stars above. Every beat, every vibe, sealed together till the end of time. With every glance we share, the future's bright. A world of wonder shining in our sight. In this dream, everything's so right. Together we glow in love's pure light. With every promise made, our souls entwine. A journey endless, our hearts define. In this lifetime, you and I unite. Under the moon, we shine so bright. In a garden of color and grace, I found a beauty to embrace. Petals whisper, stories untold. In the sunlight so bold. With each bloom